What's up, guys? Wes back with Auto Mafia Racing. We got a storm coming in, and we're getting ready to I'm getting ready to tune Raul's car on the dyno. Tommy's gonna help me do it, strap her down. There it is. We always have so many visitors here. Some of them are just adorable. Like look at this little guy. Hi, little guy. What's up? For reference, that's how big he is. Not very big. Just a little gopher tortoise that we got a ton of them that live here. Off in our woods. We always just make sure they're out of the way when the lawnmowers come and make sure nobody runs them over. They're pretty cool. It's kind of like a zoo sometimes here, I swear. We get all kinds of animals, but yeah, we just finished Raul's car. He came here with it partially installed. We finished the install for him. He does have our single turbo kit with a Comp 6875 turbo, which is the same turbo that I used on Hurricane when I ran my 9 with the MPG kit. So we also installed his trans brake, which as you can see works. Yeah, that was basically spool up a little bit, let go of it, spool up, let go of it. It works. Spun in the grass, no harm, no foul. So now we're getting her strapped up on the dyno, and then we're going to start making some power runs. We are tuning on X85. That's right, I said X. Is from VP Racing Fuels. Got our VP banner up there, VP Racing Fuels. But she is on the dyno. We'll get her all strapped up here in a minute. Love me a hood dump. Sounding pretty good, sounding pretty mean, so we're gonna get her done, get her strapped up here, and make another 600 horsepower beast! Alrighty guys, just did the first pull. I did a little pull before, just did the first full all the way out pull. Did not go over 8,000 RPM, but that's what it shows, but I know I didn't. Anyway, there's our graph, 450, 428, not bad, not bad. Comes in strong. This is that 6875 turbo. It does have a break-in period. It has to get hot before she really starts to spin it. Aside from that, we just have it on wastegate spring. This boost gauge isn't working, so I'm gonna fix that so I can see how much boost it is, but it's only on wastegate, so it's making maybe 7-8 PSI, maybe. So yeah, I'll go check the log, throw some more fuel at it more than likely, just judging by what I saw on the log as I was, driving the thing. But pretty clean so far. I'm happy with it. She's gonna be a riot. These tires and wheels are not gonna cut it though. Look at that, not gonna cut it. We got our hood dump in the Comp Turbo, but those are not going to cut it. So I hope he has some better wheels and tires, and somebody's here. So, well guys, we got another car getting dropped off, and of course, as soon as they get here, start unloading, and it starts pouring rain. That's Florida. It happens. It rains a lot here. Rain, rain, go away. What is up, guys? Here we are back again today on working on Raul's car. We got his boost gauge fixed. Tommy fixed it, did a good job. Now I can actually see what boost we're running. So then he also installed the boost controller and we can turn it up. Looking good as always. We did make another pull this morning. Actually, I made 2 more pulls this morning. We did a first baseline pull, made 476 and 500 pound-feet of torque. And yeah, it looks pretty freaking good. There we go. So yeah, we made, 474 and then 496. And then 571, 567, turning up the boost controller a couple clicks. So I made some adjustments. I didn't really like how it looked up on top. We lost power. Went a little lean, so we gotta fix that, which no problem. Fix it up, that's why you get tuned on the dyno. But it took the timing. We're running VP Racing X85, which is basically, it's just the 85, but it's good E85. So instead of, this isn't your mom and pop store E85 from the gas station that may be E70, maybe E30. This is E85 and it's good stuff. So it's taking the timing and I love it. We'll probably go up another click on the boost controller this run, but we should see it carry the power out a little more. We are going all the way out. It's showing a little further, but The red line's at 7,800 is where we're bouncing off at. Dyno's just a little bit off in our RPM range. It happens, automatic cars especially, but we're not hooked up to it. We're just basically doing an RPM test based on the roller. Still pretty accurate. But yeah, 570, 570, essentially 567. Like I said, we'll give it another click. Added the fuel in. Should be good. It might even take more timing. We don't want to go much higher on the boost, so once we go maybe another click on the boost controller, then I'll start adding timing into it, and we'll see if we can get it to hold 500 horsepower all the way out to 8,000. That'd be pretty sick in my opinion, so this thing would just be a freaking ripper. I am pulling out timing to try and make the motor more safe at lower RPM. So this is a bigger turbo, so it does come in a little later. We're coming in basically peak, right? Peak torque is at 5,000 RPM. And that's because I'm starting at like 3 to 3,500 of these latest runs. So 3,000, where's that one? Yeah, so about 3,000 coming in. So I'm gonna be pulling timing out between 4 and 5,000. And the reason we're pulling timing out between 4 and 5,000 and underneath is we don't really want, well, we don't want it to build that much torque. The torque is what will blow these motors at lower RPM, so by reducing timing, we'll reduce torque and reduce horsepower in those levels. We'll bring it out a little more, but that should save the motor. And when he's racing on the shift, it really never should go below like 4,500 RPM anyway, so should be money. Let's go over here and see what Tommy's doing today. I know what he's doing. It's gonna show you guys, because Typhoon's on the lift. Yeah, buddy. Tommy's working hard here. We're getting all the surface rust that she had cleaned up. Still got a little more to do up there, but getting all the bars coated, painted, so that we won't just have that surface rust. But man, it looks good, doesn't it? That is a 9-link. That is a Ford Racing 9-inch is what I'm trying to say. Tommy right now is knocking off the old motor mounts. Because this thing was set up for a plate with a Coyote and a Power Glide, and we're not running that. So we actually went to the guys at BMR. We grabbed a new K-member. Just got here yesterday. That K-member is going to have the motor mounts, and they're drop mounts, so they'll be a little lower, more clearance for stuff, more get the weight down lower on the car. But basically, that way we don't have to make motor plates for the 3.7 yet. We're not there yet. We don't want to do that yet. I need to be able to put everything with a normal K-member, make it all fit like normal. Should be good to go. But yeah, Tommy's cleaning up the front end now. It's all basically getting wire brush knocked off. And then we'll coat it, you know, with some rust preventative self-etching primer, and then paint it, you know, gloss black. Whole car's looking good, getting set up. The cage is finished, it's all certified and done. We got the all the brake system done. So now it's time to put the new K-member in and mock stuff up. You see, getting her all cleaned up. And you guys want to see something cool? That's a turbo mount. So that's the drain basically, right? These bolts go from up into the turbo from there, and that holds basically a large frame turbo, so it can still be oiled and everything, and it's gonna be freaking money. So I'm gonna cut these off, and I'll check back later. We hit our peak number, but then it dove off. I'm not really happy with it. We hit 594, 581 on that run. I'm not really happy with it, so I'm gonna go look at the log, see if we can just keep dialing it in and make this thing actually take what I'm telling it to take. But yeah, it should be pretty good. That video looked. We hit our peak number, but then it dove off. I'm not really happy with it. We hit 594, 581 on that run. I'm not really happy with it, so I'm gonna go look at the log, see if we can just keep dialing it in and make this thing actually take what I'm telling it to take. But yeah, this should be pretty good. You know the deal, been running it in little tweaks. Tired, it's hot, but we're done. Made some power. Last pull was 625 horsepower and 610.8 foot-pounds of torque. And as you can see, it carries out pretty good till we let off. Right under 8K. Not bad. I'll take that all day and twice on Sunday. Nice, smooth carry. Not bad. It's like 13 pounds of boost on E85. Starting to think we might need bigger injectors. Gotta do all kinds of crazy stuff to make these things get all the fuel they need, so might need bigger injectors here soon. Fix 1650s. Get them while they're hot. Alrighty guys, so Raul's here picking up his car. He's swapping to his drag radials right now so we can go make a hit and not just, you know, spin, because with 500 plus horsepower, it's 100% all it's gonna do. So he's getting them swapped over. Then we're gonna go for a rip. Got some SV Raystar knockoffs and some ET Street SS's. They should hook. Oh, we'll go have some fun. Alrighty guys, so we're in the car. I just did a rip. How did it feel with me driving?
Oh shit, this thing moves.
Moves pretty good. So we're gonna do a little drive. Do you want to just try out the trans brake real quick?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, so it's in there. Yep, and I would do it in drive. What I like to do, I like to hold it in my hand on the shifter.
Okay.
Mine I have zip tied to my shifter.
Okay.
Right, so yeah, because you can hold it like that.
Okay.
We'll wait till this car goes away. But yeah, basically, so right, you're gonna hit the button. And then you let off the brake while you're holding the button. Okay. And then you just give it gas. And then when you let off the button, it'll go. Let off the button. And we did a nasty burnout. You can hear it. And we're on drag radials. Keep going. Let it go past that trash can, and then you can hit it. Keep us on the road. She goes, huh?
Wow! This thing is fucking cool, man.
Yeah, they don't make big sixes like this normally.
This thing is dangerous.
Yeah, it is.
This is a weapon, bro.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay.
So hit that, and then there you go. Yeah, she's moving.
Shit, man.
All right.
She spins a lot.
Yeah, she needs some surface. This is hot asphalt and we're ripping them. It's a ripper.
Maybe I need to put weight in the back.
No, you need the prep track. You need the prep track is what you need.
Okay.
Yeah, this thing rips, man.
Awesome. Can you turn it down? Holy shit.
Well, Well, yeah, because we build more boost on the street, so we're still doing probably 12 psi.
I haven't even looked at the book. I can't look at the fucking gauge.
Yeah, you gotta concentrate on the road.
Yeah, for real, no joke. If I look at that gauge,
Yeah, we'll go off the road.
grass.
Don't look at the gauge.
Oh my god. This is fun.
So what do you think?
I'm happy. I'm a happy camper.
Good. We'll have to go build motor soon for you and then go really fast.
Yes.
So that's going to be it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Check you next time.